Hey, ain't you Coyote boy KT?
Oh, what's up? You looking for me? Hey, what's up with the Coyote gang? Oh! Hey, y'all don't know what it is. Y'all already know who it is. You know what I'm saying? Boy, Coyote boy KT now. Hey, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you better. Check it out. 17. What's up with the KoyotePack 2 gang? Hey, what's going down? Y'all know how we do it. Oh! Hey, y'all don't know what it is. Y'all don't know who it is. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy KT, man. Y'all back on that channel, man. Hey, look. That boy got the J's out the window. Ooh, y'all see it? Okay. Icy Mike away, man. Make sure y'all go subscribe to that man channel right there. But anyway, you guys, we're actually in transit. We're headed to the Memphis Raceway, International Raceway, you know what I'm saying, to the Scary Fast, hosted by Demonology and Donkmaster, you know what I'm saying. We have to pull over and get a little restroom break in. I think we're somewhere in between Sulphur Springs or something like that. Texarkana, I believe. But anyway, you know what I'm saying. Y'all see, got the Stain guy here. Big headers, big pipes. Y'all see the things moving. We can have a seizure. Yes, sir. Let's check my man out over here. Woo. Yeah. Okay, out the window with it. Hey. Make sure y'all subscribe to my man channel, man. Icy Mike 08. Hey, it's on there, it's just in black though. That's why you can't see it. It's in black. Hey man, you ready? Yeah, so we about to get back on the road. Y'all might see a little montage of the cities as we're going through. Or you might not, depending on how I feel. But anyway, I ain't gonna hold y'all. Hey, straight action. What's going down with a KoyotePack? Hey, oh! You ever know what it is? Y'all already know who it is. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy KT, and I'm back with Super Clean. You feel me? If you want to keep your wheels nice and clean, I got this all-wheel cleaner from Super Clean. You can use on regular rims as far as aluminum, alloy, chrome, colored, clear, whatever you got. Check this out. I cleaned my wheels earlier. I'm leaving from Memphis, headed back to Dallas. Look at that. No brake dust. All up in there. No brake dust. Caliper still clean too, and it's painted. You feel me? Hey, all you gotta do is take a couple squirts of this on each rim, let it sit for about 30 seconds to about a minute, and you good to go. You know what I'm saying? Hit it with some water, you know, wipe it off with a towel. Put some special sealant on the outside to keep your wheels nice and clean, like in this clean picture right here. Yes, sir. So make sure you go get yourself a Super Clean. Find it at a retail store near you, whether it's AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Walmart, Auto Parts, any store that sells this or any type of parts, this will be here. I'm telling you. Hey, make sure you tag your boy Coyote Boy KT. You see it on the window. Along with Super Clean on IG, Facebook, and let them know I sent you, and let them know that you're rocking with the clean, baby. Oh!
Use the right lane to keep right to merge onto I-40 East toward Memphis.
Still run shit. That chopper got a full that drama kit. My neck and wrist here and my mama.
Keep right.
Nah, nigga, way up. Like a motherfucking bluff boy on that cane.
Hey, what a day. It's every day, all day. It's more than the game. We are packed. So till then, y'all know what's fun.